Hey guys, we got this Neenca professional knee brace for pain relief. It's a knee brace. It's a compression sleeves which supports the knee, and then it's also can supports in multiple knee issues where you need the support from sleeve. So this is the two pack stuff. So one brace came in one pack. So the two pack I received. So let me just see the pair. So my first impression, good size with the gel cushion pad, and then it's flexible so that easy to wear, washable fabric, that's pretty much good, and the side anchor. So it's a plastic side anchor that goes along with this knee brace, so that will support a little bit more. And then from inside also is a comfortable thing, so you don't know it will not hurt or not scratch the skin. And then the same thing with the second one. So let me just open. So the two sets with a cushionable and the nice cool gel pad. So let me just wear this off. So when I wear it, you can see like it's easy to wear, just slip on, and this covers the knee top, the gel pad. So this one have a little cooling effect here. The gel is more like comfortable and give us smooth things on the knee. So it's a anti-slip silicone strips, and is a countered patella gel pad, so that can go on the patella, and it's a metal spring stabilizer on both sides. So breathable and a comfortable air knit fabric with this advanced technology, and then comfortable thing. So it's really comfortable and give a good compression on my knee that I can feel it here. You can see like from the anchor thing as well. So from the both sides, it's giving a nice support to the knee with along with this gel pad. So let me just also stand and see how it feels for the long-term use. So while standing, you can see like while binding my knee, there is no issue, no interference, and I feel really a little bit nicer on the compression thing that it's holding my knee well, and then also looks good. And from the top also it goes to a good height. So the lengthwise the height is really good for these knee sleeves. It's very comfortable and very helpful knee sleeves.